You have a creative mind. You're creative no matter the angle or whoever, however, or wherever you find yourself. You are creative. Ask me why. You're creative in the sense that be you a mother, a sister, a brother, whoever you are, have that creative mindset. Hi guys, today I want to talk about this channel. This is a welcome video to my channel. If you're new, thank you for joining. If you're an old subscriber, thank you for returning. I've been getting this update with regards to what's your channel about. When I did my live videos, I was always asked, what's your channel about? I'm here to answer that question. Stay tuned. As you can see in the description of this video or the description of my channel, you could go check that out. I came out to talk about how my environment affects me because most times I see so many people with great talent. I'm talking of men, women, boys, girls, everyone. I mean, they're not willing to come out. They don't want to be known. They don't want to showcase what they have. And this YouTube is a space for just anyone. Anyone can blow up on YouTube. So I was inspired to come out and share my experience, how my environment affects me, and with regards to YouTube easy tips. That came as a result of searching for information. And you guys know there's so many information on this YouTube space that would blow your mind. So I've come up to give easy tips. Go check my videos on content creation. I've come up to give easy tips to help an upcoming YouTuber. So if you're new, please subscribe. So this is my welcome video. I hope this video inspires someone out there. Not just this video, every of my other video inspires someone, and I hope you stay tuned and stay connected. Stay blessed. Bye for now.